What is up, guys? TK here with everything100.com and TK's Garage. We're doing a collaborative video on both channels today from our friends at beefedupbrakes.com. You can find them right here. You'll find them in the wonderful website. I guess this thing is focused. There we go, beefedupbrakes.com. And what we're doing today is a benched review. Now, this is a bench review. Basically, we're going to take a look at these pads. We're going to talk about the features of these pads and why you might want them, and some of the cool technology that's in them. So let's go ahead and get directly into it. So first things first, we need to get this open. Look at this. We got installation instructions. That's kind of cool. We got all of your little tabs, what you're going to need when you're installing these, like your pads basically sit in these, helps keep things nice and tight. And we got the pads themselves. Now let me get something to cut these open. We'll take a quick look at these. And, you know, last but not least, we got some wonderful grease. You know, Apple should include those in their boxes for iPhones. I'm just saying. Anyways, so let's go ahead and take a look at the brake pads themselves. Get this cut. All right. Boy, they use some heavy duty material on the packaging alone. Now, let's talk a little bit about these. Now, look at these pads. Let me bring these close and get the focus in really tight. Now look at that, man. And look how thick these are. Now let me talk a little bit about these and why this is important. Now with brake pads, okay, a lot of people don't know, and this is not just for jacked up trucks, but for some of you guys that be putting 24s, 32s on the trucks and SUVs, those rims 99% of the time are heavier than OEM rims, which I don't want to get into a long spiel, but let's just talk about it. Anytime you increase the weight of your wheels and or the tires, your brake system performance is going to be massively reduced, okay? Now, a lot of new, for example, Wranglers, Tacomas, 4Runners, people are running huge rims and tires on these right now, okay? And as a result, you can lose anywhere between 10, 20, 30, 40% of your stopping power, because the bigger the weight, the bigger the wheel, the longer it takes to stop. Okay, just simple physics, simple math. All right. Anyways, now the thing that's what's crazy about here is the materials, the thicker pads, the if you ever notice, and this is from my rim enthusiast, if you put bigger rims on your car, you'll notice that you get a lot more brake dust, right? You're constantly cleaning the rims, okay? So when you put bigger tires or bigger rims on your vehicle, basically your brakes have to work harder when they're basically closing in on the rotor like so, right? They have to work harder to help you stop, okay? And they get hotter, okay? And the hotter they get, the faster they're going to break down. This is just basic science, okay? You can Google it. Plus, not to mention, like I was saying earlier, a lot of dust and a lot of cleaning. Meaning you're non-stop cleaning and cleaning and cleaning and cleaning and never, you know, getting to actually enjoy those rims or enjoy, you know, the setup that you put on the vehicle. Now, here's some inside information. A lot of aftermarket companies don't care about your wheel weight, right? They don't tell you that this could damage like suspension, all kinds of other stuff on your vehicle, right? OEM wheels are normally what they call vacuum cast, okay? That means they're created a certain way. Vacuum cast, basically, right? And they're made to be as light as possible, all right? Lighter wheels, better braking, better fuel economy, right? Now, what a lot of these budget wheel companies and some of you guys that are spending $1,500 to $2,000 on your wheels, right? Thinking you're getting a good deal, putting some 24s, whatever it is on your truck. they're using what's called gravity casting or gravity cast. Okay, this is the cheapest casting method that is available. All right, so they have to use more metal to make sure that the wheels don't crack. So when you use gravity cast, wheels are much heavier than the OEM wheels, right? Now, I'm not gonna put a bunch of people on blast, but I gotta keep it real. So if you're increasing your wheel size or putting in aftermarket wheels, know that you're probably gonna lose, you know, even if they're the same size, right? You're still losing probably 5% of your power, stopping power, because more than likely those wheels are heavier than what you already have. Don't believe me? Go put them on a scale. All right. So basically, beefed up brakes were developed for people that have those Wranglers, those 4Runners, those Tacomas. You know, they don't make them for my Tundra yet. I wish they did. They don't make them for the, you know, the GMC yet. I wish they did. But I may be doing a video here in the near future where I throw these specific pads up on a Wrangler, probably on a Jeep. Now, depending on the specs or depending on the wheels, Beefed Up Brakes is saying that their pads are in some cases 50% stronger and better than what you're going to get with your OEM pads, which is going to help you when you put on these bigger excessive wheels. Right now, I'm not saying excessive like it's a bad thing. I'm saying excessive like, look, man, we know what it is. All right, we know what it is, man. We know what it is. You want to have the bigger rims on it. You want to have that, you know, more aggressive off-road ability. It is what it is. Now, the one thing I do like about Beefed Up Brakes that they were able to tell me is not only like these, right, which are made, I believe, for, these ones are for a Jeep, right? These ones for the, yeah. So they will be making brakes for other trucks, other SUVs, other off-road vehicles as they continue to add. And right now I believe they do the Tacoma, the Wrangler, different models of the Wrangler, and the Toyota 4Runner. So if you have any of those, this is definitely going to be a cool pickup for you. Like I said, the materials are very, very good. You know, I want to compare these, and I might do another video with you guys with these, comparing these to some pads that I'm going to throw on the GMC here really quick on the new Envoy that I picked up at the auction. So stay tuned for that. But I mean, look what I'm talking about. Like very nice, smooth, like very thick pads. I like that. Now, I like to get a real in-depth test with these things, and we're going to do that. That's why we're going to try to get these in with one of the guys from the car club and throw these on a Wrangler and have them beat on them. And I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it. But that said, I want to thank today's sponsor. Obviously, it's what we're talking about today, Beefed Up Brakes. You can find them over at beefedupbrakes.com. They are the weekly sponsor of the podcast over at the Everything 100 podcast and the coming soon TK's Garage podcast. So stay tuned for all of those. If you haven't subscribed here yet, you should definitely do that because Beefed Up Brakes wants to partner with us and give away some of these brake pads. So if you're interested in these and you have a Jeep, a Tacoma, or 4Runner, subscribe. Put a comment in the comment section that you want to enter the giveaway. Just type in a comment that says enter giveaway, and you might be able to win your own set of Beefed Up Brakes from our people over at beefedupbrakes.com. Anyways, guys, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. This is one of the first times we've done a collaborative video with both everything100.com and tksgarage.com. If you like this kind of thing, I know for my folks over on TK's Garage, they might. Some of you guys over on the technology channel are going to be like, what is this? Listen, this is technology. This is something that a lot of you guys need to understand and know, that when you put these bigger rims on your cars and trucks, that you need the pads to be able to stop. And there you have it. Anyways, again, big shout out to our friends over at beefedupbrakes.com. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and we will catch you guys on the next one.
Perfect.